Hi students, welcome to the next session. In previous session, I started problems in relations and functions. First two sessions, I explained synopsis. Now, in fourth session, we'll start from question number 21. In 21st question, on the set of non-zero real numbers, an operation star is defined by a star b equals to 3ab by 2. In this group, a solution of this we need to find. Solution means we need to find the value of x. Okay, consider two star x star 3 power minus 1 means 1 by 3, 4 power minus 1 means 1 by 4. First, I am applying star for these two values. What is the meaning of star? 3 into first value into second value by 2. 3 into first value into second value by 2. Again, star 1 by 3 equals to 1 by 4. Now 2 gets cancelled. Now what is remaining? 3x star 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 4. Again star is there. What is the star meaning? 3 into first value, second value by 2. 3 into first value is 3x, second value is 1 by 3 by 2, that equals to 1 by 4. Now here 3 gets cancelled. Now 3x by 2 equals to 1 by 4. Now that implies 3x is equal to 2 by 4, that is nothing but 1 by 2. That implies x is equal to 1 by 6. 1 by 6 means option 2 is a correct answer. Now coming to the 22nd question. In this question, we need to find the number of binary operations of a set a comma b. Okay. The formula for number of binary operations is equal to 2 power n of a cross a. Why? Because this set contains two elements. See, already 2 power, this is set A. A cross A means 4. Okay. Now 2 power 4, that is 16. Why? Because if you take A equals to A comma B, now A cross A contains A comma A comma B, B comma A, B comma B. Means A cross A contains how many ordered pairs? 4 ordered pairs. That's why 2 power 4, that is nothing but 16. That is nothing but option 2 is a correct answer. Coming to the next question. Consider a binary operation star on n defined by a star b equals to a cube plus b cube. Okay. Given a star b is equal to a cube plus b cube, b star a is equal to b cube plus a cube. These two values are same. Therefore, a star b is equal to b star a. If a star b equals to b star a, then we can write star is commutative. Next, we will check associative. A star b star c. A star b means a cube plus b cube star c. What is the meaning of star? First value cube plus second value cube. Then first value whole cube. This is the first value, this is second value, plus second value whole cube. Now consider A star B star C. That equals to A star B star C. What is the meaning of star? First value whole cube plus second value whole cube. Again star is there. This is the first value, this is the second value. Then again we can write first value whole cube plus second value whole cube. Now these two values are not equal for any natural number. Therefore, A star B star C is not equals to A star B star C. Then we can write star is not associative. Means here commutative is possible, associative is not possible. That is which option? Option 2 is a correct answer. Okay. So before explaining next problems, we need to discuss what is meant by fractional part function and what is meant by periodic function. Okay. First, we will discuss fractional part function. So this definition is not there in PU, but objective we are using this concept. What is meant by fractional part function? It is a function. It is a function which returns the fractional part of argument of the function. Argument of the function. It is a function which returns the fractional part of argument of the function. It is denoted by, you can write like this. How to pronounce this? Fractional part of x, where fractional part of x can be written as x minus step x. Where fractional part of x can be written as x minus step x. What is step x? Greatest integer function. Example. Fractional part of 2.3. How to write? 2.3 minus step of 2.3. That equals to 2.3 minus step of 2.3. Step function always gives preceding integer. Step of 2.3 is nothing but 2. Now answer is 0.3. Okay. Now I can take one more example. Minus 1.6. That equals to minus 1.6 minus step of minus 1.6. That equals to minus 1.6 minus step of minus 1.6 gives the preceding integer minus 2. Then minus of minus plus 2. 2 minus 1.6 is nothing but 0.4. Therefore, these are the examples for this fractional part of function. Now, the domain of this function is real number. Means you can take any real number, but range is, it starts from 0. There is no chance for getting negative value. Up to 1, but 1 will not come. Here 0 is included, that's why I took closed bracket. 1 is not included, that's why I took open bracket. 0 is possible, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 up to 1, but 1 is not included. So this is the range of fractional part of function. Now we will discuss what is a graph. What is a graph of fractional part of function? This is 0 and this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3, like this. Coming to here, -1, -2, it comes. This is y-axis. Now this value is 1. Now graph will comes like this. But 1 is here. Why took a circle? Because this 1 is not included. That's why I mentioned circle. This is a graph. You join like this. So more than 1 is not possible, 1 also not included. That's why I took which bracket? Open circles I mentioned. 0 to 1 between only, but 0 is included, but 1 is not included. That's why where 1 is there, I draw the circles. This is the graph of fractional part function. Next, we will discuss periodic function. It is also not there in PU, but these two are important in objective. What is meant by periodic function? A function f maps x to y. A function f maps x to y is periodic if there exists a least positive real number, if there exists a least positive real number t, such that f of x plus t is equal to f of x. A function f maps x to y is said to be periodic if there exists a least positive real number t, such that f of x plus t is equal to f of x. Okay. Now here t is called period. T is called period. I will give a simple example for this question. Example: f of x is equal to sine x. F of x equals to sine x. We need to find the periodicity of this function. How to find periodicity of this function? I can write f of, okay, 2 pi plus x, 2 pi plus x. It can be written as sine of 2 pi plus x. 2 pi means 360. 360 plus theta sine theta, that is nothing but sine x. So finally f of 2 pi plus x is equal to f of x. According to this definition, f of x plus t is equal to f of x. T is called period. Now here f of x plus 2 pi equals to f of x. Therefore, the period is 2 pi. This is the example. Okay. A function f maps x to y is said to be periodic if there exists a least positive real number t, such that f of x plus t equals to f of x, where t is called period. Okay. Now note, if f of x is periodic, note, if f of x is periodic with period t, then if f of x is periodic function with period t, then f of ax plus b also periodic with period t by mod a, with period t by mod a. Next, one more. Sine power nx, cos power nx, secant power nx, cosecant power nx have period is equal to 2 pi if n is odd, pi if n is even. So, if the power is odd, period is 2 pi. If the power is even, period is pi. Now, last point. Tan power nx, cot power nx have period pi if n is either even or odd. If the function is in the form of tan power nx, cot power nx, no need to verify whether it is even or not, but the period is pi. But here, if the power is odd, period is 2 pi. If the power is even, period is pi. So, these are the definitions of fractional part function and periodic function. Okay. Next, 24th question. Listen. If f of x equals to cos 4 pi into fractional part of x plus sin 4 pi into fractional part of x, then which of the following is true? Okay. Now, f of x equals to cos 4 pi into fractional part of x plus sin 4 pi into fractional part of x. Just now we discussed what is the definition of fractional part of x? X minus step x. That's why it can be written as cos 4 pi into x minus step x. Fractional part of x is nothing but x minus step x plus sine 4 pi into x minus step x. Now, f of x equals to cos 4 pi into x, 4 pi x minus 4 pi into step x plus sine 4 pi into x, 4 pi x minus 4 pi step x. Okay. Now, this value is integer, or you can write here power is what? 1. If power is 1, 1 is what? Odd number. Already in synopsis we discussed, for odd number period is 2 pi by what is coefficient of x? 4 pi. Once again listen, this is cos, power is 1, 1 is odd. For odd function, period is 2 pi by a. A means coefficient of x, that is 4 pi. Now what you can take? Period is 1 by 2. Coming to this, I am finding period. Here function is what? Sine. Power is what? 1. 1 means what? Odd number. Odd number period is 2 pi. By a coefficient of x is what? 4 pi. Okay. Now here period is 1 by 2. But we required period of f of x. Then if you required period of f of x, total period means we need to take the LCM of these two. Then LCM of 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. If you take the LCM of these two periods, you will get the total period of the function f of x. What is LCM of 1 by 2 and 1 by 2? That is 1 by 2 means it is a periodic function of period 1 by 2. That is nothing but which option? Option 2 is a correct answer. Coming to the next question, 25. Let f is a function with domain closed bracket minus 3 comma 5 and g of x is given, then the domain of f circle g of x. Consider f circle g of x. It can be written as f of g of x. That equals to f of g of x is nothing but mod 3x plus 4. Okay, we know the domain of f. What is that? Minus 3 to 5. Therefore, minus 3 less than or equals to mod 3x plus 4 less than or equals to 5. Why I took less than or equals to? Here closed bracket is given, that's why less than or equals to. If the open bracket given, only less than. Okay, in this I am taking condition number 2, 3x plus 4 less than or equals to 5. Okay, in linear inequalities, first PUC, if ax plus b less than or equals to k, then how to write? Minus k less than or equals to ax plus b less than or equals to plus k. Same concept I am applying. In place of k, what we have? 5. That implies minus 5 less than or equals to 3x plus 4 less than or equals to plus 5. If you send 4 this side, minus 5 minus 4 less than or equals to 3x. If you send 4 that side, 5 minus 4. Now minus 5 minus 4 means minus 9 less than or equals to 3x less than or equals to 1. If you send 3 this side, now we will get minus 9 by 3 less than or equals to x. If you send 3 this side, it becomes 1 by 3. Minus 9 by 3 is nothing but minus 3. Then minus 3 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 1 by 3. So here equal to is there, here also equal to is there. Therefore, we can write x belongs to closed bracket minus 3 comma 1 by 3. Why closed bracket? Equal to means these values also consider. That's why closed bracket. Now closed bracket minus 3 comma 1 by 3 means which option? Option 2 is a correct answer. Okay, next question. Which of the following relation is a function? See, 4 options given. First, here, if you take the first option, B and C both are having same image, there is no problem. But B is having one more image. If I take the diagram for the first option, A, B, C, B, E, X, A comma B, B comma E, C comma E, B comma X. A single element having 2 images. So, it is not a function. Why? Because according to the function definition, every element having one and only one image. But here this B having how many images? 2 images. That's why it is not a function. I will go with the second option. A, B. D, M, E, B. Okay. Now A is related to D. A is related to M. B is related to E. And A is related to B. Here this A having 3 images. That's why it is not a function. I'll come with third option. Okay. In third option, A, B, C, E. This is domain. Next to D, E, X. Now third one. A is related to D. B is related to E. C is related to D. E is related to X. Every element having one and only one image. A is having one image, B is having one image, C is having one image, E is having one image. So therefore it is a function. Now option 3 is a correct answer. Coming to the next one. If f maps minus pi by 3 to 2 pi by 3 to 0 to 4 be a function defined as f of x equals to, then find f inverse x. See here, f of x is given root 3 sin x minus cos x plus 2. Now I am simplifying this. Divide with 2, multiply with 2. Then root 3 by 2 sin x minus 1 by 2 cos x plus 2. Here multiply with 2, divide with 2. Now f of x equals to 2 into this sin x into this root 3 by 2 can be written as sin 60. Okay, or you can write this root 3 by 2 can be written as cos 30 minus cos x into this 1 by 2 can be written as sin 30 plus 2. Now it is in the form of sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, sin of A minus B. Then f of x is equal to 2 into sin of x minus pi by 6 plus 2. This is a simplification of given function. But in question they asked find f inverse x. Let f of x is equal to y. That implies x is equal to f inverse of y. What is f of x? 2 sin x minus pi by 6 plus 2 is equal to y. Send plus 2 that side. 2 sin x minus pi by 6 is equal to y minus 2. Send 2 that side. Sin x minus pi by 6 is equal to y minus 2 by 2. Send sin that side. Then x minus pi by 6 is equal to, if sin come to that side, becomes sin inverse y minus 2 by 2. Send minus pi by 6 that side. Then x is equal to sin inverse of y minus 2 by 2. This pi by 6 come to this side, plus pi by 6. This is x value. But x is nothing but what? F inverse of y. Therefore, f inverse of y equals to what we got? sine inverse y minus 2 by 2 plus pi by 6. But in question they asked f inverse x. In place of y, replace x. Then f inverse x is equal to sine inverse of x minus 2 by 2 plus pi by 6. That is nothing but which option correct? Option 2 is the correct answer. Next question. The period of the function f of x is equal to step of sine 3x plus mod of cos 6x. Okay. Solution. F of x is equal to step of sine 3x plus mod of cos 6x. First I am finding the period of this function. Period is equal to, here power is 1. 1 is which function? Odd function. For odd function the period is 2 pi by coefficient of x is 3. Next I am finding the period of this function. Here function cos, power is 1. 1 is odd. If power is odd, then the period is 2 pi by coefficient of x is 6. Now the period of f of x is equal to, if you want the total period, we need to find the LCM of 2 pi by 3, and this can be written as pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 and pi by 3. What is LCM of 2 pi by 3 and pi by 3? So 2 pi by 3 is the LCM. That is nothing but option 2 is the correct answer. Coming to next question. If f of x is equal to 2x cube plus 7x minus 5, then we need to find f inverse of 4. F of x is given, we need to find inverse. So when inverse is exist, if the function is both 1 1 and on 2, that is nothing but bijective, then only inverse is exist. So here f is bijective, then only inverse is exist. That implies we can write y value is 4. Y is nothing but f of x. F of x value is 4. F of x is how much? 2x cube plus 7x minus 5 equals to 4. Now 2x cube plus 7x, this plus 4 come to this side, minus 4, minus 5 minus 4, minus 9 equals to 0. For this what I will do? 2x cube, I am adding 1 2x square, subtracting 2x square. Okay, next. This 7x can be written as 9x minus 2x. Minus 9 is equal to 0. Now, in this term and this term, 2x square common, then x minus 1 is remaining. In this term and this term, 2x common, x minus 1 is there. This 9x and minus 9, 9 common, again x minus 1 equals to 0. In this entire equation, again which is common? X minus 1 common. Then what is remaining? 2x square plus 2x plus 9 equals to 0. This is not having real roots. It is not having real roots. Why? Because b square minus 4ac value is less than 0. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, we will get imaginary roots. That's why the second equation will not having real roots. Therefore, I am taking the first equation will be 0. If you take this 0, we will get imaginary roots. That's why imaginary roots I am not considering. Therefore, first x minus 1 equals to 0. Then we will get x equals to 1. That is nothing but, x is nothing but. In this, what I can write? X is nothing but f inverse of 4. Therefore, f inverse of 4, the value is 1. That is nothing but option 1 is a correct answer. Next, 30th question. 3 into f of x minus f of 1 by x equals to log x power 4. Then we need to find the value of f of e power minus x. Given 3 into f of x minus f of 1 by x is equal to log x power 4. Now, this can be written as minus f of 1 by x, I am writing first, plus 3 into f of x equals to 4 log x. Why? Because in logarithms, the power, what is the value present, that will comes first. This is equation 1. Replace x by 1 by x. Now what you will get? 3 into f of, in place of x I am taking 1 by x. In place of 1 by x I will take x. That equals to 4 log, in place of x I am taking 1 by x. This is equation 2. But they given f of e power minus x. You make it, these two terms should be cancelled. But directly we can't cancel. This is 3 times, it is 1 time. That's why first equation multiply with 3 plus second equation. If the first equation, if you multiply with 3, minus 3 into f of 1 by x plus 3 3 jars 9 f of x, 3 4 jars 12 log x. Second equation as it is, 3 into f of 1 by x minus f of x equals to, this can be written as 4 log 1 by x. Now these two values gets cancelled. 9 f of x minus f of x, that is nothing but 8 f of x is equal to 12 log x plus 4 into log of 1 by x means x power minus 1. Now what I can write? 8 f of x is equal to 12 log x. In logarithms, what is the value present in power, that comes first. So minus 1 into 4 minus 4 log x. Then 8 into f of x is equal to 12 log x minus 4 log x, that is nothing but 8 log x. Now 8 and 8 gets cancelled. Then finally f of x is equal to log x. This is the final function. But we required f of e power minus x, that equals to log of e power minus x, that equals to minus x into log e. Log e value is 1. So minus x into 1, that equals to minus x is the answer. That is nothing but option 4. Once again listen, this is a given equation. First I am writing f of 1 by x term, next f of x term, and 4 comes to the first. If you replace x by 1 by x, you will get one more equation. If you solve these two equations, you will get f of x. In place of x, you substitute e power minus x. Now coming to the next question, 31. We need to find the period of this function. F of x is equal to sine of 2 into under root x plus 1. Already we discussed the periodic function definition. Now this f of x is equal to either sin x or sin ax plus b, this forms allowed. Means the function which is present in here, that function is linear. Means first degree. But here root x plus 1 is not a linear function. But according to periodic function definition, here what is the value present in either 2x or 3x or 4x or 2x plus 3, this value should be linear, then only period is exist. But here what is the value which is present in, that is not a linear function, therefore period does not exist. Why? Because it is not a linear function. Okay, if period does not exist means option 4 is a correct answer.